Into another video. Just take my morning stroll about for reaching. The stroll in the morning kinda healthy. But for some reason I just feel like I make one silk type beat today in which it go aggressive. Knowing the type of artist in be, it go dark, it go aggressive. Let's head over to FL Studio now, just, to start cook up this beat. Welcome again to another tutorial. It's your boy Rado, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a dark type silkboss beat. Now, if you do like this content, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, follow me on our social media at Eldorado, leave some comments and so forth below. First, we're going to pull up plugin, Dark Grand, and we're just going to start off with a melody, a simple melody. I'm going to put the BPM to 100. Then we're going to add some notes going up and one down. So it's going to, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to copy this and do the same thing here and bring it down here and copy it back again for the same effect. The beat wasn't being recorded, the program crashed, so I finished up and going to go over it. So after that dark piano, I bring it down on octave and I added a parametric EQ to it and filter off the highs, extreme highs and lows, and added just to give it a certain color, not sounding too bright or too dull, and this is what it sounds like. Next, I layered it with another melody. Same progression. This is the plugin that I use. Baby audio tape to it, some EQ and some reverb. And this is what it sounds like with it. Without it. So I pushed it back in the speakers, but I made it a little bit more fuller. So with reverb and delays and some saturation, pianos can sound a lot more fuller. After that, some snares to add bounce. I made the velocity low. I added hi-hats. It's a hi-hat pattern from Church Heathen that Shaggy sing, a crash. I add the main snares. Then the kick drum. This particular kick drum has some reverb on it and it sounds really nice with it to give it a little bit more ambience and a little bit more tail. After the kick, I add some staccato strings. Following the same melody pattern, but I did it on and off beat. After the strings, I added some brass just to let it sound a little bit more aggressive. I layered it with some saxophone. From the dark piano, I duplicated and use the same chord progression again, just to use it as a base to let the rhythm a lot more fuller. I also added some tape and I EQ'd it a little to take off the extreme highs and boost the low mids of this particular piano. Without it, with it. So it sounds a little bit more fuller, filling up the beat. After that, I added some melody, some ethnic flute sound on the top melody of the main melody, just to give it a unique sound. And this is what it sounds like. I added some reverb, EQ into it, in which I removed the high sound, and this is what it sounds like with it. For it to sound a little bit more dreamy. I added some bass 808 to it. And everything in context, this is what the actual instrumental sounds like. If you like the beat, please do subscribe, leave some comment below, leave some thumbs up if you like the content so we can create more content. It's a boy Eldoh Rado. Peace out.